Hi everyone. I have to do a video just to tell you guys about this. Uh, I keep laughing because I can't believe I did this. Sometime, it looks like in December, I must have made my current journal, the one that is made from the file folders. I must have made that one at that time or something because I set this journal aside and just quit working in it. And what is like wild about it is all of this is left to be worked in. And I'm just shocked at myself. I've done that before with, say, for instance, a journal that was directly related to a class. And the beginning of this journal actually this is I think the second 30 days class. Well, technically it'd be the third one, the one that came out in, I think, 2019 or 2020, January 2020. Anyway, um, but I do it intentionally because the only thing in that journal is class stuff. And this is an actual art journal, though, even though these first few pages, some of them are class content, not all of the content in this journal by any means. I'm still getting wax cleaned off of a few of the rings, but not all of it was necessarily classwork. Some of it was just done for my own entertainment, which, typically is what I do in my journals. And I just can't believe that not only did I just stop working in it, but I forgot it existed. I was flipping through different journals and moving journals around the room to see if there were any more I wanted to list, or if I was done at this point. I have so many journals. It's crazy. I don't even have them all down off the shelves yet. Anyway, so I'm like doing an impromptu little flip here, just to remember what this journal even was, since I forgot it existed apparently. I'm a little embarrassed that I did that because that's not, it's not something I would ever do, but somehow I managed to. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys about it. I'll flip through the rest. I mean, you've probably seen some of these back when I was making them, which was a long time ago. It's so weird to me. It's really, really strange to me. And I remember doing some of these videos on camera and posting them and doing them for classes. I remember all of it. But I have just somehow completely forgotten that this journal actually existed. I'm a little bit shocked, I guess. And I was working on hands back then, and I also completely forgot about that too. I just wonder, like, did I set it aside before the whole Maddie thing happened? Or not Maddie, but Alex thing happened. And then that happened, and so everything went crazy, and I just forgot it. I can't believe that I have had this journal just sitting around and forgot about it. So anyway, you'll now see this journal in the next few videos because I've got, I don't know if I'll do more on this or not, but I've got all of this left to do, and that's quite a bit to just stop working in it. I like to finish journals whenever I can, for the most part. But anyway, the reason I found it was I was digging through journals to find one that I could do the cover on, that the cover hadn't been done on, and I wanted to do that waxed cover video. So that was how I found it. So funny. All right, I will talk to you guys later.